Welcome back to my Crochet Puppy Patches series. This is video number 4, and today I'm turning a lime green dog bandana into a St. Patrick's Day shamrock bandana for my dog Benny. If you're new here, this series is where I add crochet details to fabric bandanas to create handmade accessories for my dogs. So the first thing I do is I like to take my iron and iron everything out so it's nice and smooth, and then I fold down the top edges just a few times so it will fit my dog Benny a little bit better. I also like to attach release buckles to all of the ends of my bandanas because this way I don't have to worry about the bandana coming undone, and it also just makes it easier, especially with a wiggly dog. I'm using my sewing machine to sew the bandana ties down around the release buckle, and honestly this is a great hack for any bandana you want to put on a pet. And then after this I'll go ahead and trim away all the excess fabric. I like to do this step first before adding the crochet details, so that way I know where everything will fit. I always like to add a cute crochet border to my bandanas. For this bandana I'm using the color cream with a 5.5mm hook. I will crochet 2 chains of 35, then I'll work 1 row of single crochets across each chain. I usually attach my crochet borders using hot glue because it's quick and it works really well for this type of project. But if you prefer something more traditional, you can always use a needle and thread. Even after I use the hot glue, I like to take my yarn needle and just sew in those loose yarn ends. And I like to weave them in a couple of times just to make sure they don't come undone. So for this St. Patrick's Day bandana, I crocheted a large cream shamrock, and if you would like to learn how to crochet the shamrock, I will leave a link to this video in the description. I'm using hot glue to attach the shamrock to the bandana. So I love adding cute embellishments to my crochet appliques, especially when it fits the design. So for this one, I'm going to use a large lime green button, and I'm going to weave some cream colored yarn through the buttonholes for a little more detail. And then I'll hot glue the button right in the center of the shamrock. So here's the finished bandana. I hope you had fun watching the process. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe so that you don't miss any future crochet videos. And now I'm going to leave you with a cute clip of my dog Benny showing off her new St. Patrick's Day bandana.